What is insurance? Insurance is a way to manage your risk. When you buy insurance, you purchase protection against unexpected financial losses. The insurance company pays you or someone you choose if something bad happens to you. If you have no insurance and an accident happens, you may be responsible for all related costs. What are the 5 major types of insurance? 5 types of insurance that most financial experts recommend everybody have. Life, health, auto, property, home and travel. Life insurance. A life insurance policy guarantees that the insurer pays a sum of money to named beneficiaries when the insured dies in exchange for the premiums paid by the policyholder during their lifetime. Health insurance. People who have chronic health issues or need regular medical attention should look for policies so that they may have access to medical care throughout the year. Auto insurance. It can offer reassurance in case you're involved in an accident or the vehicle is stolen, vandalized, or damaged by a natural disaster. Instead of paying out of pocket for auto accidents, people pay annual premiums to an auto insurance company. The company then pays all or most of the costs associated with an auto accident or other vehicle damage. Home insurance. It protects your home and possessions against damage or theft. Virtually all mortgage companies require borrowers to have insurance coverage for the full or fair value of a property, usually the purchase price, and won't make a loan or finance a residential real estate transaction without proof of it. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is a type of insurance that covers the costs and losses associated with traveling. It is useful protection for those traveling domestically or abroad. What is Virtual Relationship Manager, VRM? VRM stands for Virtual Relationship Manager. The VRM insurance would act as a relationship manager for the existing customers, and is expected to engage with customer to build a long-term relationship with them along with upselling the group's insurance and other financial products to them. The VRM would have to ensure that she virtually connects with these customers on a regular basis through the various digital platforms. The typically customer base of VRM is expected to manage 2,500 plus. Virtual relationship managers act as the single point of contact for customers' banking requirements, are responsible for the cross-selling. Job designation, Virtual Relationship Manager, VRM, its outbound telesales profile. Position grade, Assistant Manager M1 or Deputy Manager M2. Work location, Thane, Vashi, Malad. Salary, upto 4 lakh plus incentives. Payroll, direct insurance company payroll. Eligibility criteria. Must be at least minimum 1 year to 5 years of sales experience. Must be at least graduate any stream. Must have good communication as well as sales and convincing skills. Age should be maximum 32 years. Male and female both can apply. Must be comfortable to work for outbound sales process. Must be comfortable doing 100 plus calls in a day. Job description. Reach out to existing and potential customers to present our product and service offering. Learn details about our product and service offerings. Address any questions or issues customers may have. Communicate with customers to understand their requirements and need. Offer solutions based on clients' needs and capabilities. Direct prospects and leads to the sales team. Measure identified KPIs. Always strive towards meeting sales quota. Track and document call and sales. Candidate is expected to make 100 to 120 calls per day. Products are related to life insurance, can be in terms of investment, guarantee, protection. Perks. Medical cover to employee and family. Incentives. Fast-track promotions. Fixed day shift. Fixed Sunday off.